Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram group and the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video, we are going to see the official notice released by the CSIR mentioning that extension of validity period of JRF fellowship. That means the JRF fellowship validity is extended. So regarding this one, we will see the details in this video.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGS Net Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices.
I started one Facebook account guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, okay, Human Resource Development Group. So in this official website, you just scroll down. So we got the notice on the 13th Jan 2021, extension of validity period of JRF fellowship. So click on that one and you will be directed to the one PDF, so which is mentioning the details regarding the extension of the JRF fellowship validity. So extension of validity period of JRF till June 2021. So in view of the fact that there has been delays in the registration process for PhD, as many institutes are yet to function full-fledged due to COVID-19 situation in the country, it has been decided that the validity period of CSIR JRF fellowship of qualified candidates of CSIR UGS December 2018 and December 2017 and June 2018 is extended up to June 2021. That means basically the JRF validity period is only 2 years while coming to the CSIR UGC net. So here December 2017 means December 2019 is the closing period, and this one is June 2020 is the closing period. But due to the COVID-19 situations, most of the institutes are not working full-fledged. Based upon that one, the CSIR has released the notice that regarding the extension for both these two candidates up to June 2021, and the other terms and conditions of the fellowship will remain same. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues. It is very much most important guys. Okay, why? Because they are just scaring that what about the extension and all these things. Okay, so please share this video to them, and to get the more notifications, subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGS NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGS NET candidates who are preparing for the UGS NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGS NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.